Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Canon and we're back. If you don't know, I'm 10 days away from my birthday, and right now I'm working. Like right now I'm literally working. But we're 10 days away from my birthday. I have to get this face, like it has to. I don't know, man. So technically, I have to do my brows. I'm going to do my brows maybe tomorrow or maybe today if I have if I have the time, or tomorrow. My hair, I'm gonna do it on Saturday, and I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with my lashes, but I don't know if I'm gonna put individual ones or done professionally, clusters, or do I do them professionally? I don't want to be laying down for 3 hours to make. I don't want to do that. So I'm not sure of what I'm going to do. But anyways, we have a lot to do because I am launching another pop-up. So I'm waiting for some answers, and I'm gonna put it on my website and make it go live maybe this week or next week. So this is what we're doing. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna make this like a vlog of my week, but I don't do anything. Like I literally work like I'm doing right now, and after that I go take my daughter from daycare at 5, and I come back home and do like what mothers do and that's it. That's all. That's like, I maybe will do like a night routine, or maybe I'll be buying some stuff because I'm missing a lot of stuff for my skincare and makeup. So maybe I'll be doing that this week, but I'll try to make something interesting. I'll try to find something that is interesting to show. So yeah. So let's get into the video. That's what I'm saying. we is back. Why is this in front of my face like that? Okay, we're back. I'm all, maybe I should place it here. You know what, let me try something. Space here. So we're continuing with the birthday makeover, or trying to look somewhat presentable for my birthday series. I don't know how to change the slides because it says so in my face. I don't know if I should change it or just plug in my other light. I'll try plugging my other light to see. Like, I don't know if it's better or not. Should I just like this or do it like this? Maybe like this, there's just more light. Yeah, I don't know. So we're doing my brows today. So if you look at my brows, it's not done. So I did my hair yesterday. It's a 5x5. I need to, you know, sleek it a little bit, but we're gonna do the brows today. Let me just put, oh shit. Because I'm sweating, and sweat and glue doesn't go together. And I don't want this to be turning white. So, let me just, okay. 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 So we're gonna do the brows. I am using my lash and brow balm from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. The number 1 and number 2. I still have the number 3, but I'm kind of not using it right now. So number 1, number 2, and I'm gonna be using my computer because my phone is literally down to count the hours and stuff. So I'm gonna be using this thing to, you know, laminate my brows, make them go up. The glue, talk about the freaking glue. I don't know what the glue is. So it's the same one. So I'll be brushing my eyebrows, and after that applying the glue, and after that we're gonna go with the number 1. And yeah, so where the heck is my brushes? I don't remember where I put the brushes. Okay, found one. Found 2. So okay. So let's brush my brows. I'm gonna be closer for y'all to see. Or maybe I'll just, okay. So here's my brows. Do I put the light a little more? Okay. I don't know if you'll, I hope you'll see it. So here's my brow. I'm gonna be putting my glue. On my brow. Applying it on my brow, and I'm gonna brush my brow in the direction I want it to go. I'm gonna stick it with my little thing. I'm gonna, mix it before just to make sure it's good. And I'm gonna do a little stick, and I'm gonna put it with an applicator on my brow. So it has to stay for 7 minutes on my brow. With this one, because it is so, it's really good, and I don't have to put any saran wrap on my eyebrow because it's really effective and it's really, really good. So if you put any saran wrap with it, it can burn you. I'm talking about the brand only. This is the brand that I use, and with this one you don't have to be using the saran wrap. So yeah, put it in one, and you can do your lash lift with it too. So with one you can do your lash lift and your brows with it. I'm not gonna be waxing my brows, so I'm putting it on my brows. And now it is 1:14 for 7 minutes. So I'm gonna put the clock. I'm gonna put a timer for 7 minutes. So yeah. And the minutes goes with your, if you have like coarse like eyebrows, thick eyebrows, like the longer the minutes. But if you have like really thin eyebrows, you don't have to like put as much as minutes that I put. So you're gonna let it rest, and after that we're gonna go to number 2. In the meantime, instead of just waiting and not doing anything, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna at least do my hair for me to be prepared. I'm not even going out somewhere. I'm just gonna go get my kid from my mom's place. That's what I'm doing today. Maybe I'm going to the beach. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, not sure. So I'm not sure what we're doing today, but you know what? I wanna feel good today, so we're gonna do our hair, our brows. We're gonna look good. The only thing that I am going to do is my lashes, because I'm crazy. Because that would be freaking crazy. Do my eyebrows, no, my lashes. And it's okay if you feel like in your brows when you put it a tangent sensation. Well, I think it's okay. So right now I feel like tangent sensation in my things in my brow. But I really think it's okay if you feel it. So I plugged in my straightener, or thing to straighten my hair, whatever that is. So do y'all see me better if I'm like this? I'm like super stressed that y'all don't see me, but yeah.
It's a boy, Emma.
So I'm gonna speed the footage. I'm just gonna look at my thing while this is finishing. my 7 minutes for my brows are done. So now I have to clean it. So you don't clean it with cotton. That's how I remember from my course. You don't clean it with cotton. You clean it with the like this thing. So is wipe out everything on my brows. Oh, you can see. You know what? Okay. So I wipe everything that is on my brows, and yeah. And as you can still see, my brows are still in place, like where I put them. Now we're gonna put the number 2. So the number 1 is the lifting and lamination treatment. The number 2 is the oh no. So the number 1 is the lifting cream. The number 2 is the neutralizing lotion. Hey, my English today be English, huh? So I'm just shaking it, and after that I'm just gonna pierce a little thing in it, and with another applicator, I don't use the same one, with another one, a clean one. Oh shit. Okay, so with another one, I'm putting it on my brows. And for the amount of time that you put the other one, you have to put this one the same amount of time. So if you put 5 minutes in the other one, it has to be 5 minutes in this one too, with the number 2. So what you do in the number 1, you do it in the number 2. So 3 minutes in the number 1, 3 minutes in the number 2. Oh, you don't see. So okay. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my color because I'm putting some tint in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna prepare the color that I'm gonna put. And yes. So for the color, you'll need this little pot. You'll need a brush that is like this. So like curve something. And you'll need the cream developer. So you'll need a cream developer. And after that, you will need your color. So this is the color that I'll be using. It's from Brockwood. I will not be using dark rose. Dark rose is really dark and it's not for me. I bought all of this when I was still like, you know, having clients and stuff. So I still use them, but I don't use all the colors. So I think the color that I'm going to be using is like the light brown to match my hair. So let me search for it, and after that I'm going to show you the 2 colors. So I have Brooklyn brown and Perfecto brown. Usually I take the Perfecto brown, but it's really like a colder tint. So I wanted a warmer one to go with my hair. It's like a warm brown, my hair. So I'm gonna go with the Perfecto brown. It's still light, but not too light, but at the same time it's gonna match the hair. So yeah, I need to wash this. I'm gonna put 2 drops. 1, 2, and for the color, I'm gonna shake it, and I'm gonna put 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. Okay. And I'm gonna mix it in the little bowl, and I'm gonna wait for my brows to be finished. So after number 1, number 2, that's when you put the tint. You put the tint after the number 2. So I'm gonna wait for the number 2 to be finished, and after that I'm gonna, you know, put it. So I'll be putting the color. I have my mirror. I need to look very closely. Very, very closely. Okay, so what I was saying is that I have a mirror. I just broke my contouring palette that I've had since forever. But you know what? I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna be sad. It's all fine. So yeah, I'm going to do my contouring, and yeah, I'm gonna be using the mirror, and yeah. So I like to start by the end because that's why I wanna I want it to stay the longest, because in front I want it to be like a soft I have the word in French, not in English. So I don't want it to be like, you know, square and like super dark in front. So it's like an ombre that I'm trying to do in front, so I'm gonna do it last. So I'm gonna start at the end. And the shape that you give your brows while doing that is the shape that your brows will be forever. Forever. So you better know how to shape your brows. Okay. I kinda did everything off camera. I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the brows. So honestly, I just let it sit, the color, for like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. And this is how it's looking like. If I waxed my eyebrows, you would have seen it better, but I did not wax it because my wax is at my mom's, which is where I'm going right now. So yeah, but I still cleaned up a little bit under my eyebrows, but this is how it's looking like. And with the hair is flowing, and this is how we're looking like today. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. And now I'm gonna go to my mom's to go get my kid. And yeah, so let's go.